PNY GeForce RTX 4070 Accelerate graphics card here in the studio, which I'm going to show you up close in this video. But before I do, let's recap on the features of the RTX 4070 cards. Released in April of this year and aimed at 1440p gaming, it's been a popular choice. Headline specs for the RTX 4070 are 5,888 CUDA cores, a 1,920 MHz core clock with a 2,475 MHz boost clock, and it comes with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, and of course it's PCIe 4. So an impressive card for enthusiast gamers. The RTX 4070s are based on the Ada Lovelace architecture, as are all 40 series cards, and this gives you a big leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. Ultra-realistic graphics are provided by ray tracing, which simulates how light behaves in the real world, giving you brilliantly detailed images. Plus you get DLSS 3, which uses AI and GeForce RTX Tensor cores to boost your frame rates whilst maintaining great image quality. And of course, with a 40 series RTX card, you get the benefits of the NVIDIA Studio platform, which offers a whole host of advantages for creatives such as streamers and content creators, with programs like Broadcast, which we've made more in-depth videos about previously, and you can watch those by clicking the link below. Now back to the PNY GeForce RTX 4070. I have just gotten this one out of the box and peeled off the sticky label, so let's take a look at this particular card. It features three 100mm fans that you can see here on the front with double ball bearing, high density fins, and then if we spin it round, you've got the metal backplate here with air vents, and of course plenty of branding, PNY Accelerate here and GeForce RTX written there proudly. And if you spin it round, you've got RGB as well here that you see on the front. It's aesthetically a really pleasing card, and it's been really well designed. And of course here on the side, you've got your HDMI and your display ports. So all in all, a really lovely, well-designed card there from PNY. To get yours and check out the full range of PNY 40 series cards, please click the links below to the relevant scan website pages. And you can also watch our unboxing video of the mighty RTX 4070 Ti, which we've also linked below for you.